Hey guys, what's going on? This is Hazard with Team Ghost Company, and today I'm going to show you guys how to take apart a Scarab arm mag. Did I say it right? Yeah, Scarab arms mag, 18 round mag. Because apparently on YouTube there are no videos on how to take it apart, so I'm going to help you guys out. Alright, let's get started, shall we? So first of all, it has a cap. You gotta make sure you just pop that cap right off. Second of all, make sure that it's not, your spring is not winded, because I don't know, apparently when you open it while the spring is winded all the way back, it tends to pop. But make sure your spring is whatever. Anyways, alright, see, you got two screws, top and bottom. Normally you'd have these little bullshit caps, but I break them off because they're annoying to deal with. So here we go. So let's say you in the field and you broke paint inside the mag. Just take these two screws out. And flip the mag, and pop it. Take your finger, that's how I do it. Take your finger, put it in, pop it out. The spring will come out, but that's normal. Alright, so I guess you clean it, you want to clean the spring. Then I guess to reassemble, you line up the spring. You put the board back on, well, the other side of the mag. But the only thing is, you gotta make sure this is pushed back while you close it. Because if not, let me show you. See? So, just open it up a little bit. Push it down. And then just close it back. And that's it. Turn it around, put the screws back in. You don't want to over tight it because it's plastic. This shit will break. And then the plastic piece. That's it. It's as simple as that. Alright? You would do the same thing with the 12 round mags. You see I still got the caps on mine. But, well, hope this was helpful. Like I said, this is Hazard from Team Ghost Company. Peace out.